Boys and girls, a concept map is a way to show how ideas are related. The example explains what birds are. Birds lay eggs. Birds digest food quickly. This provides light body weights for them. Now let's go over an example.
Here is a concept map that explains what a tree gives the world. Trees make oxygen and are made of wood. Notice the linking or clue words that lead to the information in the ovals. Oxygen is used by animals and is used by people. Wood can be used as building material or used as shelter or used as energy source. See how we show the related information to clearly explain the tree's place in the world. Let's look at another.
Let's look at dogs now. Dogs are usually for pets. They give us love. Dogs have tails. Dogs have wet noses. Dogs have 4 legs. Dogs can be sources of infectious disease. An example is rabies. Another example is norovirus. Finally, dogs are mammals. Now, if a person didn't know anything about dogs, they would have a good idea now. Let's move to another type of map called the decision tree.
Decision trees are a graphical representation of all the possible solutions for a decision based on conditions. Now, a simpler definition. A decision tree is a way to arrive at a result based on smart decisions made along the way. Let's look at a decision tree that will help you when you are bored at home.
What should I do today? Do I feel tired today? Yes or no? Yes. Then are you ready for a nap? Yes or no? Yes? Then take a nap. Are you ready for a nap? No. Then do you want to read? Yes or no? Yes? Read a book. No? Watch TV. Do I feel tired today? No. Is it rainy or windy? Yes or no? Yes? Then do you have schoolwork? Yes or no? Yes? Get busy. No? Build a science model. Is it rainy or windy? No. Then do you want to exercise? Yes or no? Yes? Then play football. No? Play chess at the park. This is an example of how you can use small decisions along the way to arrive at a final decision.
If you remember, we have 6 what we call essential questions that we want you to be able to answer from this exhibit. You will have 1 concept map or decision tree for each question. You will partner up with a high school helper to solve the maps and trees. They will help but will not give you the answer. Use your knowledge and handouts to solve. Go to the numbered panels in the circles to help if necessary. And most of all, have fun. Let's do one together. Everyone find where do diseases come from in your packet. This is a concept map, so we'll pay attention to the linking words or clues. Let's get started. Where do diseases come from? These often harmful disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. One type is fungi. One type is bacteria. One type is viruses. The very first source of the disease is called the... Say you aren't sure of the answer, check your worksheet or visit the panel in the small circle. Now you can find the answer. Reservoir host. If spread by animals, we call it a blank disease. Zoonotic. If we touch areas where animals touch it, it is indirect contact. If we touch fluids from an infected animal, it is direct contact. How are vector-borne zoonotic diseases spread? Mosquitoes. Now we know animal spread is zoonotic. How do you think environmental pathogens are spread? Spread in nature. The pathogen found in plants. The pathogen found in soil. The environmental pathogen found in water. If pathogens are human to human, guess how they are spread? Spread by humans. When we touch objects after an infected person, it is indirect contact. When we contact infected persons or exchange body fluids, it is direct contact. Okay, let's get busy and assign you to your high school helper for these activities. We will also check a classmate's saliva for bacteria with our microscope, and maybe have some free time for you to explore once finished.